stream, predict global football, and earn real on cross. What's up, everyone? If you're a football fan, crypto enthusiast, or someone looking for a new way to engage with live sports, then you need to check out Cross Prediction. Today, I'll show you how you can predict football matches, participate in BTC prediction markets, claim dollar cross rewards, and even use cross forwards all within the cross ecosystem. Let's jump in. One, Cross Prediction is a prediction market platform built by Course DeFi. Instead of simply watching a match, you can participate by predicting outcomes and engaging with live events as they happen. Think of it as combining the excitement of sports, the speed of crypto, and the fun of prediction games into one experience. Whether you're into football or crypto market movements, Cross Prediction offers multiple ways to get involved. One of the biggest highlights right now is the football prediction markets. With major football events happening around the world, users can enter prediction markets and make their picks before matches begin. For example, let's say Team A is facing Team B. You can review the available market, choose your prediction, and lock in your position before kickoff. Then comes the exciting part, watching the match unfold in real time. Every goal, save, and close chance becomes even more engaging because you're actively participating in the outcome. The best part, you don't need to be a professional analyst. If you follow football and understand the teams, you can start making informed predictions immediately. These markets are fast, simple, and incredibly entertaining to watch. Here's how it works. You predict whether Bitcoin's price will move up or down during the next 1 minute round. Once the timer starts, the market is locked. Then everyone watches the result together. A new round begins almost immediately, creating a fast-paced experience that's perfect for live streams and short-form content. The simplicity makes it easy for newcomers while still providing plenty of excitement. Watch how to claim dollar course. If you are new to the ecosystem, one of the first things you'll want to do is claim your dollar course. This is an important step because it helps you get started within the course ecosystem and access the platform's various opportunities. The process is beginner friendly and the official course guides walk users through everything step by step. If you're just joining, I highly recommend starting here before exploring the prediction markets. Another important part of the ecosystem is CrossForge. Forge helps connect the broader cross experience by allowing users to manage and sell assets within the ecosystem. For new users, this may seem advanced at first, but once you understand the basics, it becomes a natural next step after participating in prediction markets. Think of Forge as another tool that expands what you can do within Cross. Whether you're predicting football matches, testing your instincts in BTC up/down markets, claiming dollar cross, or exploring CrossForge, there's plenty to discover. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which prediction market you're most excited to try. Also, don't forget to share your cross prediction journey on X for a chance to get noticed by the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.